Don't scare me like that. Another day, another project. Well, same project. Ah, the claw. Do any of you guys remember the Baron von Raschke? Oh, the claw. Oh, I am older. Okay, so what I'm doing today, finishing up what I didn't finish yesterday, so I got this stuff here done. Up around the corners, in between the teethers on the back side. I'd say it's all right. And then I decided, say, while you're at it, and the guys are up in training for the week, and I got the shop to myself, and the, you know, signs on the door, and sometimes you just, gotta just spend some time, quality time with Mike. So, this thing's got a thumb, you know. So I just started filling cavities. You know, I have that disease, not disease, it's called bruxism. You grind your teeth. Well, stones and whatnot grind teeth too, and around here it's a lot of stones and not so much stumps and grubbing, but you're picking up stones and wee doggy. Say, I got a question for you folks. You want to hear it? You want to hear my question? Do you identify as a rock? And if you did, would you be afraid of this coming after you? Do ya? How about if you identified as a cat? How would that make you feel? It's time to start pushing back on these things, people. It's time to start pushing back. I'm going to identify as a rock, and then tomorrow an excavator, and then tomorrow, that day after that, I'm going to identify as a welder machine, a welding machine. Yeah. So get your litter box out. I just was thinking, it was fun. Oh, and for all the safety geeks, I know you're out there. The bucket is sitting up there, only held by hydraulics. Or is it? Ha! Put a chain around that H-link and she can't lift away from the boom, therefore she can't go down and the cylinder can't, extend. And if it tries to, I'll check it for tightness and we're good. You do have to be conscious of that stuff because I'd hate to have that cylinder just instantly smack and drop and break in half and flop down and cut me into a couple of chunks, or at least give me a couple holes in the back. So I got to think of that. You always got to think of that stuff. So that was my simplest way. If that can't move geometrically, that can't extend. I did bring the ladder over, the tall one, and I was going to hook something way up there to come along to the loop, and I thought, well, if you guys don't think it's safe enough, I'm sure you'll comment, but I think just by the design, that's going to work just fine, and I check it every so often. So anyways, that's what I'm doing today. Just going to do a little short one here, but that's what I'm doing. Little bit at a time, just a little bit. Heck, I've been at it for 10 minutes and I got 20% of it done already, so we'll just go from there. There was something else I was going to tell you, but my old brain is foggy. Yeah, I got to do my, also got to do my, what do you call it? Fresh air circulation type of exhaust hood. We got one of them installed. 2 of them. Whenever we're working around these, doing a lot of welding, right on the forklift, well, I have one that's in the cab. We got 2 garage door buttons. I don't care about the heat so much because about every 10-15 minutes if we really get a cloud going in here, we'll just open both doors. And I live in a field and it's always windy and it takes about half a minute to get it out of there. And then we start over. And being I got hydronic heat in the floor down there, there's no waiting for the heat to recover. It's there. As soon as you open and shut the doors, it's cool as all get out, you know. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to. Maybe I'll bring you back, but probably not, because I'm almost done. Oh, yeah. This thing spatters so much, like I was telling you. You know, you're right here and these globs are coming off. What's right up there? Chrome. So this John Deere head gasket piece of cardboardy is my chrome don't get you home and don't get scarred up type of safety device. You always got to be thinking as a welder. You always got to be thinking. Not, you know, it is what it is. So then we should be done. Oh, and I just got word too. I got word from the guy over in Wausau. See that? I'm a ventriloquist. I got word from the guy in Wausau that my undercarriage is here. Oh, you'll be here tomorrow. M's are hard. R's are hard. M's are hard. But yeah, I undercarriage rollers and tracks, not rollers. Rails with pads on them. Can't do P's either. Rails with pads. Rails with pads on them, that's what's calling. Like I was showing you yesterday. I should really get them off and straighten them out too. I think I brought a rock up to the blade and it rolled over and bent the guard, but that's to keep the cylinder protected, and that's what it did. But yeah, see that link is frozen. They look really good, but I abused it. I did. I'm sorry. Hope you guys have been enjoying the videos on a more strategic basis of daily, if not, you know, as much as I can. It's easy when the guys are gone, but then again, you don't get to see the guys either. And I actually am using a camera, a real one. Well, GoPros, I don't know if they're real or not, but that's a pretty good picture right there. We'll do that. How's that for a screenshot? We'll do that for a screenshot. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and it's lunch 30, and then I'm gonna go do something. Isn't it amazing I can talk for 8 minutes and really talk about just shit? Okay. Hasta la Vega, see you, bye.